guys, welcome back to my channel Riya Zaf. Today we are going to make something really interesting and fun. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Let's start it up. We got so many stuff on the table. Can you guess what I'm going to make? Your guesses are right. We are going to make Riya's Fairyland. What do you know about fairies? They are beautiful and nice. With their wand, they can make a lot of magic. Let me show you. Look, I've got a lot of stuff. Now let me tell you what I have. This is a sign in Riya's Fairyland. I have some tiny plants. These are called creepers, and I have some fans made out of popsicle sticks. This is my entrance. This is written Fairyland, and there's a little fairy's house. We have some fairies cut out of paper, and I have painted a plastic bottle and to make a pond. And we got some pebbles and some butterflies and some flowers around, and we got a glass jar. What is this? It's a tray full of soil. I'm going to start making the fairyland. I'm going to start with the house. I'm going to stick it over here. Now I'm going to make the road near the house. I'm just going to start drawing with my finger. So make the road. I'm going to stick the pebbles on it. I finished doing the path. Now my idea is to set the pond. I'm just going to dig a little and I'm going to put the pond here. Look, the pond is fixed well, but the pond looks really empty. What are we going to fill it in? I got some blue water for the pond, and I'm going to fill half because I don't want to use everything. A little more. Okay, that's enough. Normally the garden color is green, so look what I have here. It's some green moss. So I'm going to take a small piece and I'm going to decorate it around here. Now I'm going to put some stones around the pond. The pond looks great. Next we are going to put some tiny flowers in the small gaps. Now I'm going to stick the moss in the rest of the place as well. Now let me take the fence and I'm going to stick it over here. Carefully I'm going to put it in. Okay. Then let's fix the fairy's teeth in place. Now look at the pebble I have. It's colored yellow and it says magical. I'm going to stick this pebble over here. So I'm going to keep it here. See what I got? It's a swing. I'm going to put them over here. Look, the swing is fixed. Be careful. See? It's nice. I'm going to put the entrance now. I'm going to take the fence. Okay, I'm going to put the fence. Done with the fence. Now let me add some more plants. I'm going to add the creepers. Wow, it's all set now. I just had to fix the magic jar. Better put it right over here. That's it. Nice. Nice. That looks a little empty. But let's stick this black fairy in the jar. Look guys, the jar is done. Now I'm gonna add these small beads. Now time to close it. And then just wait it. Looks nice. Just let me keep it over here. Here. I'm gonna stick some butterflies now on top of the jar. Now the beautiful thing is gonna come. I'm gonna add something starting with fairy. And the second part is light. What does that say? It says fairy light. I'm gonna fix the fairy light. Are you ready to see the final result? Let me show you. Look, it's so beautiful. It looks like glowing. Wow, how beautiful is this fairyland. I hope you love Riya's fairyland. Always remember to make a fairyland like mine at home and send me a picture of it in my Facebook and Instagram. And I'll post it on my story. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. I hope you like fairies.